Hello, hi, my name is Leanna Navarro, here with a new video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Also, you guys can go follow me on my social media accounts, and I just want to get started. First product I'm going to use is the Clinique's Moisture Surge. Just apply this all over to your face. It's best to do it upwards. So here I am about to dry it with my little damp. Next, I like to go in with my Smashbox Photo Finish primer. I like to apply a little bit because, like they say, a little bit goes a long way. And for me, this goes a long way. I like to just kind of massage it into my T-zone, especially around my nose area, because that's where I get, have the biggest pores. So let's just get this all up in my face. Next, we like this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. Oh my lord, when I saw this, I was instantly in love. Oh my goodness, you guys. I know if you haven't tried it, you need to go buy it. I just saw an email restocking it, so go get it. I like to use this brush. It's like 2-in-1, but I only use the spoolie side. So we're just gonna lift up my brows, get them a little bushy looking. Girls, let me tell you, back then your girl would use a razor. Yep, I know, a razor. Until my brow girl told me, you better stop. And I did. And look at them, fresh as hell. Look at your girl over here vibing to Bad Bunny. So we want to, dry out the brow freeze, because you don't want to put a product on top of the brow freeze while it's wet. So we're going to use the Brow Microfilling pen from Benefit Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Deep Brown. So when I apply this, you don't want to go too hard with the pen. You want to just lightly stroke the brush. Don't go too hard. If not, all you're gonna do is waste product, and we're not here to waste. It's 2021. We got to slave. We want to save this product. So, like I say, a little bit and you're good. These baby hairs, they're just getting on my last nerves. Alright, next I'm going to be using Too Faced Born This Way concealer. It's in the shade light medium. So I'm going to use this and just cover those hairs I have. I know I haven't done my eyebrows, so don't judge me. They're a little hairy. So we're just going to cover them up with this. Look at my face. Oh my goodness. But yes, I'm going to just do that to the other brow. Yep, my face says it all. I put a little too much. Next, I'm going to use this flat brush. I like to use this brush because I can just get in there and shape my brows. It's just perfect. It's like perfect little brush. So to blend out this, harsh concealer, I'm using this Real Technique brush. Fast forwarding it just because you guys get the point. I'm gonna blend this all out, make it just blend in. So next I'm using this NYX eyeshadow base in the shade Skin Tone. Also this brush. This eyeshadow base is amazing. I love it. I use it sometimes to cut my crease as well. I recommend this eyeshadow base so much. Next, I'm using the Handbook for the Recently Deceased eyeshadow palette. I got this at Hot Topic, and I'm going to use the shade Beetlejuice. I'm also using this fluffy BH Cosmetics brush. Next shade is going to be Bio Exorcist, and I'm going to use this fluffy brush to put this in the outer corner of my eye. So I want to make like a wing, just so it's like kind of just easy for me to clean. So we're just going to lift up the excess onto the top of my lid. Next shade is called Lydia. You guys, I did not record this part, but here's me taking a water break thinking I messed up. I didn't record me cleaning the sides of my eye, so I had to pretend I was doing it again. Next, I'm using Bobbi Brown's Extra Repair Eye Cream, and I like to put this under my eye before my concealer. It's amazing. We're gonna use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 260. I like to use this a little bit, goes a long way. Even a round fluffy brush will get this product so good. Like, oh, you guys, these brushes are important, especially if they're like this. You just get that circle motion going. I just like to tap it and, you know, get it all up in there. Also, let's be sure to get that double chin because we don't want to look like two different colors. So we're going to use Tarte's Rainforest of the Sea concealer in the shade Light. I usually like to put a little dot in the front, like to make this line. I feel like we just want to make our faces look lifted, you know, like we just got that like Botox up in there. So yes, this is my way of contouring. So next I'm using this banana setting powder from Bellápierre Cosmetics. And I'm going to use this sponge and just, you know, put that thing on my face because I never really bake, but, you know, it's about time. So I'm just going to do a little fast for you, get the point. So I'm going to contour and use Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil, I probably said that wrong, matte bronzer. And I'm just going to, you know, emphasize and make myself look like I'm skinny. I can't do that, but you get the point. And now we're gonna take off the baking powder. We ain't trying to look like a cake right now. So sweep, 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 sweep. And next we're going to use Benefits Cosmetics Dandelion blush. And I like this color. It's like, I'm not a blush person, but this is a very beautiful light color. You know, just kind of make myself look like rosy a little bit. So for highlight, I'm using this highlighter stick from Too Faced in Pink Lemonade. This thing smells like lemonade, like pink lemonade. So I'm just gonna put this a little bit. You know, I hardly ever use highlight, but you know, your girl has to learn to love a little shine. Yes, let's get to this. I'm using Benefits Bad Gal Bang mascara. Ugh, I love this mascara so much because guess what time it is? It's time for lashes because your girl can't be without them. So let's get these Eylure London Definition eyelashes. These are so cute. I know. Next time I'll make a video, I'll show you guys how I put on these lashes so you guys know, because I know a lot of people struggle and I'm here to help you. Okay, your girl messed up again and she didn't record. So I used on the bottom of my lashes, I used the shade Beetlejuice, and I also used this blue pencil from LA Colors on my waterline. Here's me trying to make it seem like I didn't put it on, but I already did. And I'm using the Bad Gal Bang on the bottom of my lashes. So next I'm using the Stila lip liner and it's called Cabernet. So I just cleaned off my lips, you know, applying this. It's like a dark purple, you know, burgundy color. And you guys, this is the first time I go bold. So I'm gonna use this Suavecito lipstick in Santa Ana. And there's the color. We're gonna just put this on my lippies. I wanted to use this Urban Decay, it's for your liner, but I used it for my lips, you know, just to kind of blend that in, you know. Lastly, I'm going to set my face with the Jeffree Star and Morphe collab. Smells like strawberries. And we're done. Yay, you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video, my first video. And I really hope you guys like and subscribe and just comment. You know, I really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday.